Good Thursday morning to I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchurch, and this is your outlook for February 26, 2015. And we're going to have a winter storm that's going to be moving basically from across the south United States here, bringing some snow across areas that are not used to getting the snow here, from northern Alabama, Georgia, the western part of South Carolina up to North Carolina, and eventually Virginia. Didn't want me to forget about Tennessee there. They got some snow there last night as well. But this will be moving off the coast and just heading off in the east-northeast direction away from our area here. But it will affect southern New Jersey and Delaware with some accumulating snow here. Generally in the 1 to 2, 2 to 4 inch categories. And as you get down to Sussex County, Delaware, you might have a few spots over 4 inches here. But for the most part, just going to be confined to those areas there and the lighter snowfall amounts. Winter weather advisories up in this area for that reason. And you can see here on the map here, there's going to be two pieces of energy here. One is this area low pressure that we're identifying as the main coastal system heading east-northeast. The second one is this batch of precipitation right here. This is the northern stream energy that it could not catch up to this system in time to turn this into a big nor'easter that came up the coast and gave us a big snowstorm. So this is the trailing energy. The trailing energy will still be rotating through here, and I'll show you that in the next frame here, showing this light snow that's sitting over our area here. This area of light snow is actually from the northern stream energy rotating through. So we'll have these snow showers moving through, but coating to an inch areas mainly north of this line that I'm going to draw right here. Basically north of this area right here is going to be a coating to an inch, and that is all northern stream energy. Southeast of there, you have a 1 to 2 inch range that's kind of sitting here like this, 2 to 4 that's sitting here like this, and right along Sussex County, Delaware, you could get over 4 inches out of this system before it pulls away. And then this is going to move away pretty quickly and off to the northeast, so that's going to end pretty abruptly as we head into basically up to about noon for areas here in the southeastern areas. But elsewhere, we're talking about generally the morning hours here. We're going to go over the NAM high-res future simulated radar, starting off at 4 o'clock in the morning here, and you can see the snow is actually starting across southern Delaware, central and southern Delaware, and south of Jersey here. Pay no mind here to this green here. This is actually not rain. This is snow. It is plenty cold to support snow. This is just a model algorithm issue here, but it is snow here at this point at 4 o'clock in the morning. So you go a little bit further in time here, you have the snow coming up all the way up to almost to the Lehigh Valley. And elsewhere here we see these light grays. This is the snow shower activity starting to fill in here. Heavy snow down in this area here. This is where we have our highest threat for accumulating snowfall. And then 1 to 2 inches is right in here, right in this area right here. Anywhere northwest of there is just a coating to an inch. So we're not talking about a lot of snow here, but it will be snow showers nonetheless in this area with this northern stream energy moving through. Going a little bit further here, you can see there's really not much more difference from this across southeast PA. You might be getting this here about 9 o'clock in the morning, but then we're going to slowly but surely get rid of this system and move it out of here. So not hanging around here too long, but you can see the snow does get up pretty far to the northwest as far as a period of light snow possible across southeastern PA. Elsewhere, we're just talking about snow showers here and a coating to an inch. Okay, now I want to show you something as we get into the weekend. This is the upper air vorticity, and this is looking at actually taking a look at Sunday evening. You're going to have a cutoff low. It's going to be sitting down here in the southwestern United States here. Cutoff low meaning the flow is around it. It's kind of cut off. Here's the northern stream. Here's the southern stream. Okay, this is just kind of cut off, sitting and spinning here. It has nowhere to go. So this is called a cutoff low. This cutoff low is going to send a series of short waves towards our area here. So you're going to have one come in here, a little piece of energy breaking off from this cutoff low that's in the southwestern United States. The first one's going to come in Sunday night into Monday. The second one is going to be Tuesday into Wednesday. And the third one possibly could be Thursday into Friday. So there could be a series of waves coming from this, originating from this cutoff low here in the southwestern United States. So we're going to show you what this looks like on the map. Go a little bit forward here in time here. Skip ahead to Friday here. Could be a few leftover flurries here on Friday, and that's about it. And then this is going to be giving way, call it partly cloudy Friday. Saturday, we're going to call it mostly sunny. with high pressure moving in right over top of our area. You can clearly see that here. 1044 millibar high, which is a very strong high pressure, will be sitting over our area here on Saturday and Saturday night. So that should be mostly sunny skies and mostly fair and clear skies, I should say. And then we're going to have this first piece of energy ejecting eastward. This is Sunday night into Monday, and you can see not a lot of precipitation with this. This is not a big storm maker here Sunday night into Monday, but you can see there's certainly some wintry implications anywhere north of that line here. Anywhere showing the pink and the any of the pinks here, we're talking about icing. Anything from sleet to freezing rain, and anything that's in blue north of this line is all snow. Again, light snow, not a big deal overall, but it still is snow nonetheless. And that continues into early Monday morning. And then that clears out. We become partly cloudy here. High pressure moves in behind it, but it is very short-lived. This is all moving very quickly, and it's going to move west to east. And we have another system coming in here on Tuesday. Here's a look at Tuesday afternoon. You can see these, see the snow, sleet, freezing rain trying to move in here again. Now the GFS is doing something a little bit different, starting it off as snow, going over to ice, and then rain. There's some other models that are showing more of a snowy event, some that are just showing more of a rain event. But we are siding with a more colder solution with this one, with the second wave. This does have a little bit more juice to it, the second one, than the first one did. Okay, so we do think it's going to hang on to snow a lot longer. That's not indicated here on the GFS that it actually changes over to rain in many areas here, and then it'll actually be a third system that could affect us here as we get later in the week here. This is now Thursday into Friday, with some snow possible for that too, as that finally that system in the southwestern United States ejects eastward, and that should be the end of the parade of storms. So we have 3 shots next week. Could be a very busy week. And there's a couple different depictions on the models as far as temperatures, track, intensity, things like that we'll be tracking in the meantime. But first, we want to get by today. Please check out the weather alert maps for the expected snowfall accumulations on our final call map from EPAWA. And that is on the weather alert maps tab to the right of the daily forecast map above this video. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for February 26th, 2015. Have a great Thursday.